The name of God, Yahweh, is not a word. It is the sound of creation itself, a forbidden, precise, breathing pattern that masters life and death. The four letters that represent the cycle of respiration: Yod, inhale; He, exhale; Vav, inhale; He, exhale. This is the secret of the universe's primal motor. The ability to master this specific divine breathing frequency grants control over energy, matter, and the body's life force. The reason it was deemed too dangerous for man. The pronunciation was hidden to prevent humanity from accidentally or intentionally unraveling the fabric of reality through this forbidden acoustic power. The universe breathes through you. Unlock the sacred sound. Follow the sacred archive.